Now we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can reverse a clip. We've got this simple clip, the car drives forward obviously. Now we have this function right here to reverse it. If you can't see it, it may be because you haven't selected the clip. So make sure to left click on it. It should be highlighted right here in the timeline. And then you can access this function. Simple one-click option. It might take some time depending on the clip length. But now you can see the car, it drives backwards. You can always press Ctrl Z to get back to the original. And what you usually want to have is you want to go to a position, let's say here, and then cut it and only make a portion of the clip reverse. So we use the split tool right here, left click on the position, another left click here. You don't need the end clip, so I use the select tool, select it, press the delete key. First clip, I want to have it forward, second clip reversed. So I select the second clip with the left click, use the reverse function right here. It already worked, reverse completed is indicated. And here you can see it drives forwards and now backwards. Typical use case is to use the same clip and then play it forward and afterwards reverse it. To do that, we'll just use this first part right here. Right click on it, copy, or simply press Ctrl C and then paste it. Ctrl V or right click, paste. Here it is again. I'll drag it down here. It snaps into position. Both clips are the same for now. I select the second one and reverse it. And now if we roll it, it drives forward and then it drives backwards. And this is how you can reverse a clip using CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.